What up, we're back. So I know my straps and my trailer looks all discombobulated, but I just got done dropping something off right here. So what I want to do is take a proactive approach to making sure my material is going to get to the next destination safely, which is about a half an hour away. But you know, that's a lot of time for something crazy to happen. So we're just going to take a precautionary measure, especially if I have the means to move my own equipment. I just got done pulling up the trailer just a little bit more, so I would have a little bit more space to get the material. This, I'm going to slide that up to the headboard so that the point is when I step on the brake, the material doesn't go sliding towards the headboard. See, the problem is both of these are very slippery, but since this overtowers that, the straps don't touch the material on the other side, you know, as much as I would like it to. So in order to move it, you know, as you can see, it doesn't take up the full 4 feet. So what I could do is just move the plywood to the headboard, which I think that's gonna move more than the decking. And if the decking is already pretty long, so I'm not too worried about it. You know, if it does slide, it is what it is. So I'm gonna pull my forks back. Running over my own strap over here. Look, I can touch it. So I'm probably gonna bang into these trees. Probably gonna want to get a little bit closer. We want to get a full grab on this. Take it low and slow. Sometimes it doesn't work out, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pull up, set the parking brake, put the stabilizers down just a little bit. Pull it. Just so that I can see when, you know, when I need to stop. I mean, it's gonna be pretty obvious, but I'm gonna move this out the way. And I feel like I'm doing double the work here, but I don't know, I've never done it like this before, so you know, we're gonna try a new method today. Because what the original plan was to move that decking only, but yeah, I don't know, I got more on the line with the I feel like I got more at stake with the plywood not being up against the headboard. It appears that my stabilizer is on one of the straps. So, but that's good right there. I mean, dude, all I gotta do is just side shift it. I'll put that right there. Yeah, all I gotta do is put it down, side shift it. Pull my forks out, side shift to the right, go back in, pick it back up, pull back just a little bit. I'm gonna pick up my stabilizers, then I'm gonna back it up, and then I'm gonna turn my wheel to the left. Do lock the differential, pull back, and then drive forward. So I'm all the way side shifted to the right. So what I'm gonna do is side shift it to the left. We'll pick it back up just a little bit. All right. Now it might not look like it moved a lot, but it sure did. All right. Now I'm not gonna be able to make it past that tree. So what I'm gonna do is just set the brake real quick, pull the truck back up, get these straps out the way, put the Moffett back up on the back, and I'm gonna move this so I don't break a ankle or something. Slide that right there, pull the truck up, right about there, that's good. And then just grab my gloves, and I don't know where I put my gloves at. Let me see if I put them back up here. No, I must have either left them on the Moffett or on the back of the trailer. Slide that in. My guess would be on the Moffett somewhere. All right, and then so I got those three straps that are going back up and over the material. And as you can see, these tires dig in pretty deep. I've explained that before in the past. So that's gonna go there. Got that rut I gotta get myself out of, and I'll show you guys the power of these Moffetts. Yeah, see, my gloves are right there. So seatbelt for safety. Let's see how much time is left on this. All right, so this is part 2 of the video. So we're gonna get ourselves out of the rut. I took the differential off. Start moving forward a little bit. Wiggle to the left. That's how we do it. That's how we get unstuck. Now we're just gonna get this back on. If you're just tuning in, basically what I did was, instead of moving my truck to the whole other side of the road, I ended up doing like 2 quick moves back and forth just to move that plywood from right there all the way to the headboard, which included backing up into the ditch with the plywood on the forklift, and then I backed up to it so it was right up against the headboard. Just did some quick finagling, and then that's it. And then now I just throw the straps and then secure it. I'm gonna secure the moffett so I don't forget about it. But thank goodness I got these new tires on it. These are older, but these wear down a lot less. I got a pretty nice little gash in there, but these tires get beat up quite often. So, but yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the securing or the strapping down of the product. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you select all for all the video notifications, and make sure you check out our Instagram page at Safford Delivery Transportation, all one word. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.